Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram display picture. For this, first of all, open up your Instagram app, go to the lower right corner on your profile, and here you will see the option of Edit Profile. Choose Edit Profile, and here you have the option of changing your profile photo. Click on it. Now you can either remove your current photo, import from Facebook, take photo, or choose from library. Here I'm just going to choose a photo from my library, that is my gallery. Scroll through the best photo that you wish to put as your display picture on Instagram. And here I have chosen the photo that I want to put on my Instagram. As I choose the photo, I can also zoom the photo and then click on done. Click on done again. And here I can see that on my profile, my Instagram display picture has changed. So this is how, in very simple steps, you can change your Instagram display picture. If you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe to the channel.